Who knows, guys? Okay, we're going live. 6062 Lucky Dog, Dirty Dog, Brick. I'm just fucking with you. We're gonna have Jim start off. I'll help him out.
Dude, Wayne likes him. He's like, Tommy, Tom!
Wayne.
Everybody thinks you're crazy. They're like, Jim's conservative, and then we got Tommy, Tom!
Little they know.
I know.
No. What are we gonna start? Let's start with this.
Man, we need to get drunk. Shit. At least.
I know. I thought you were going to the liquor store.
You're going to the liquor store? Hey, give me
talking about that.
Here, you want me to write down your list? I'm just playing with you, man.
I'm what you got.
We got 4 people. We got 4 people. We got 4 on the floor. Let's go. Let's go. Let's get 4 more. Let's go. What are we doing today? We got Joe Lurch in the house. What's going on? Shit, let's turn up the fucking heat on this cover.
Yeah.
Give me 2 seconds.
What's he doing?
I thought we'd be in July talking about let's turn up the heat.
The heat? Well, I could turn up the heat a little bit here.
Roby.
What's going on in the world today?
And I'll get this one. We'll do these 2 first.
Get some fucking fire water with this shit going on here.
Is that the Minute Mart one, Jim, or is that the real deal there?
Oh, it's the real deal. We got Joshua O'Keefe in the house. Mickey Taylor, what's up, Wayne? Matthew Hemstraw, Jimmy Hillis, Rob Lipscomb. Who we got the party started?
Can you see it on the screen there?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
I can see why they call it firewater. Ha-cha-cha-cha. Ha-cha-cha-cha.
Well, I'm going to get some of these. I'm going to get my own shot over there.
Cinnamon Scotch Whiskey. Sup, sup, sup. Wayne says, hey, fellas, nice to meet you both today.
Nice.
Wayne is in the club. Mickey says, no team left just yet? We have 4.
Well, we got to random it. Yeah, we'll random it right now. So if there's
Do we
one
sell
spot,
out the last 4 teams?
There's 1 team left.
Okay.
Or there was one
What
team
team is
left.
that? Well, I don't know.
There's 1 left. It's about 28.
28 left. Okay.
Tom's over here on his laptop running around. No.
Pick it up. We're going to break.
We got Yen the Master helping out.
We're breaking.
What you said, 37 for the spot?
Yep. Give it to Aaron. No, make you pay for it, but I'm just...
No, I'm going to take that spot.
Aaron's going to get in. He wants some cards for tomorrow to sell at the show. Make his 37 back. You know, homeboy Brick, he put out like 5-6 cards. He asked me, he's like, hey, can I put this one? Dude, I swear to God, he sold every one of them. Fuck, Brick. He laid down a card, boom, it was sold. Laid down another card, boom, it was sold. Like, I think he sold every card he put down.
Taking the spot?
Yeah.
Yeah.
How are we going to get him in there?
I don't know. Here, watch. You just go, Aaron Diaz takes last spot. Aaron Diaz...
Simon.
Closes.
I got you.
I know you do. I don't even care. You might earn it tomorrow by working.
I'm going to sell those cards.
And Annette German says she completed it, Tom.
No, we're full now.
I don't know what, but she just texted you. I completed it. Whatever she was doing, she had done.
Are we going to randomize it now?
You don't even know what she's doing. I love it. Tom's like, I wasn't even talking to her.
So we know who got who?
Oh,
No,
shit.
we're working on that right now.
Random now. We're close.
We're working on it. We're working on it. We got it closed now. Aaron took the last spot. So now Tom's going to random him up. And we'll see who gets what. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. What's going on fire today?
All right.
Okay, Aaron.
Something good's coming
Aaron
today.
Diaz, you got spot 28.
28.
Yep. We got Josh O'Hornon in the house. Uh-oh, and the big E, Evan McVicker. What's going on? What's going on? Today was the Nationals. Hype, hype. Holy, holy. Macaronis. Thousands and hundreds of thousands of people. It took us an hour to go 1.2 miles. Holy smokers. What's going on? Crazy traffic. What's going on? Jason Fisher's in the house. We got this dude here. What's this dude doing? It's 5 o'clock somewhere.
Yeah.
You figure that's Tony's for sure.
Yo, you want to do that? Because I'll be like, okay.
Yeah. Reed, what's up, brother? Topps Chrome Platinum Anniversary Edition. 2021 baseball trading cards, 4 cards, Major League Baseball. We're running the teams. We'll see who you guys get. Gonna open them up here and we'll run through them here in a minute. See what teams you guys got. What's up, Justice?
Do we got the random done?
We're doing it right now. We're almost done.
Okay.
We're ripping while you're doing the random. I'm doing the rip. Okay.
Ooh.
Whoop-a-dee-doo-doo. Dude, Bobby Witt. He's probably second hottest behind Skeens today.
Bobby Witt, remember that?
Oh, like 8.
Yeah.
I must have had 8 people ask for him. Mm-hmm. I swear to God, it was Bobby Witt, Paul Skeens. Bobby Witt, Paul Skeens. Bobby Witt, Paul Skeens.
That guy did ask for some, and then we didn't find any in the KC department. But then someone else came up with some Bobby Witts to buy, and I was like, well, hey, I don't know.
So funny, everybody's asking me like why Wemby cards are going down. Because he's not hot. I have not one single person in 2 days asked for him. Not one single person ever. Like,
It's probably off basketball season.
I know, but God, he's still fucking. I don't know. I think he's still hot, but I guess no one else
Well, that's
does.
what I was telling Aaron. I was like, off basketball season.
I know, dude. Buy basketball right now. Even the fucking guy in the programmers meeting, the director board meeting at the end, was making fun of basketball. He's like, you know, you got those guys coming up to your table asking for basketball today. When they find out that's a loser, they'll want their Mickey Mantles. Like this 70-year-old man. I fucking hate them old people. They're too fucking old. They need to get off their goddamn rocker. Quit knitting their Afghans. Put down the Mickey Mantles. Fucking realize that Aaron Judge and Juan Soto play baseball. Mm-hmm. You know what I mean? Mm-hmm. They got their 42 Mickey Mantles they bought in 1987, and they think they're rich. And they ain't bought nothing nice.
Buy it.
84 Topps ain't worth shit, is it?
No,
Look up
I
Com
know.
C. I bet you that fucker's $3 or $4.
No, I believe you. I'd buy it on the computer. No, I know, but it's like it's worth $5. I probably bought it for $5.
The what? Madden?
Yeah, because I probably was like, yeah, it's worth it. I rented it, sold it back. Okay, are we go? Oh, we're waiting for the.
Yeah. I'm waiting on you.
Let's get it rolling.
I know you got it rolling. What do you guys think an 84 Topps Don Mattingly goes for?
$5.
I'm going to tell you the 2 minutes. Ooh, I might underpriced it.
That's what I'm saying.
$5.
He was like, $5? Yeah.
Of course.
He was like, take it to the next booth. How much you buy this Don Madden
It's
for?
$25.
I think it's like $20.
$11.
That's fine.
$3.5
There's 95 of them for sale at $11.
That's fine.
So that's not. I mean,
Whatever. You got a good deal?
yeah, I mean, full price would have been $10, $11. It's not like we gave him an $800
Like I said, I
card.
rented that card.
What
Right.
did
You wouldn't
was-
give him an $800 card for $5. You give him an $11 card for $5.
But and you restored his youth.
Yeah, and you give him a good deal.
Yeah.
And he fucking likes you. Hopefully he'll come back and spend anything, but he won't. But what's up, Joseph P. Wright? What's up, Ruben Graham? What's going on in the world today?
And he liked it.
Yeah.
So I was like,
fuck
yeah.
And he thought Lucky Breaks was a shit.
Yeah.
I liked
and
him
he
too.
liked it. And we liked it. And
Oh,
that's
yeah.
what we were talking about last night.
We got the list, brother. We got the list. You want to know where you're at, Aaron?
Yeah.
Yeah? No.
Got the Cleveland in there.
You got
I think you got
it.
it. I'm sure you got the Yankees. No,
You got the Cleveland Guardians. That'd be cool.
I'll be mad.
What?
They lost.
actually, but they probably sell the best at the booth over anyone.
Who's their guy today? They had this guy up in left field. I think he's
You got the Dodgers. You got Bobby Witt.
from the other Western world.
No, Royals.
Quan.
Oh, is he?
But Dodgers is
Quan.
nice.
You got Dodgers, brother.
Okay.
Yeah.
So Otani, let's go. Otani.
Let's go! All right, here we go.
All right.
You guys see the list? Everybody got the list, right? No questions, no questions. We're moving on. Seeing that, no questions. We're all done, all in.
All right.
Uh-oh, Jason Fisher got the fucking BJs. He doesn't like them.
What?
I like BJs. I mean, I don't know. Zach Greinke, Jordan Williams, Phil Rizzuto, and we got a shiny Travis Blankenhorn, Shaboom for the Twinks, Tyler O'Neill, Kyle Seager, Corey Seager, back-to-back for the Dodgers.
Oh, Dodgers hitting, baby.
We got a Drew Rasmussen blue. No number for the Brew. Okay, Tim Wakefield for the Red Sox. Matt Chapman, he's doing good. Bob Gibson. You know what year his rookie card was?
Who?
Bob Gibson.
Jim, you asked me that too many times. I'm always off.
1959. It's
56.
a pink card. It's the sickest card in the set. It's the card to get in 59 tops. It's better than the Mantle. Bob Gibson rookie. We got Willie Calhoun. Luke Voigt. Dylan Bundy. That's King Kong's cousin. George Springer. He hits a Springer dinger. And Kerry Wood for the Cubs. Shaboom. Shaboom. Let's go. Mickey Taylor says, what team do I have?
Hang on. The reason why?
Let's look, Mickey. You got the list right there, right, Mickey? No? I can't get it to scroll up.
Well, it's going to move
here it
around.
is. Mickey Taylor, you got the Mariners. And then who else said what team? Ree, you have...
This is annoying.
Who's Ree have? There. The list is pinned at the bottom. Ree, you got the Rockies, brother. All right. Back to action. Oh, Ree says he can't see it. Okay. Sorry, guys, you can't see it, but I got Ree's and Mickey's teams out. Does everybody know their teams now? If you have any questions, just let me know. Ask them, and I'll stop and help you out or tell you. No worries.
Timeout on the field.
We got Cody Whitley.
Trip to the pitcher's mound.
We got A.J. Puck from Mr. Michael Huggins. Tanner Hawk. Jorge Posada. His last name sounds like a good food. We got 57 of 99, Mr. Jorge Soler. Chabot, Mr. George for the Royals.
Yeah. Ooh.
I said rookies. How funny. Rockies. Is it not Rockies? I didn't mean to say rookies. I meant Rockies. Yeah, you got the Rockies, brother. I said rookies. That's funny. Okay. We got Spencer Howard for the Phillies. Hunter Dozier for the Royals. Jose Barrios for the Twins.
Yeah.
Lourdes Gurriel Jr. for the Blue Jays. Didi Gregorius for the Phillies. Francisco Lindor. Kenley Jansen Prism Pulsar for the Dodgers.
Got a nice little Will Smith here.
Shohei the Money on the Angels.
Oh, shit.
On the Angels.
Bucky Dent. I promise, look.
He's on the Angels. It was last year, right?
Dave Roberts, David Ortiz. I think these are 23s. That's a refractor. Jason Veritek, Eduardo Escobar, Jose Quintana, and Gary Matthews. Sorry.
Jimmy, what's wrong with you?
Bobby Witt Jr. Like I said, dude, second hottest guy of the day. Mike Yastrzemski, that's Carl's grandson, it really is. Hayden Wesneski, pitcher. Junior Caminero, rook for the Rays.
Nice.
That's kind of a nice one. I like that one.
That is a nice one.
Blade Ciccone for the Diamondbacks, the D-Bags. This dual card jobber here, Nolan Ryan. No, Jeff Bagwell for the Astros. And we have a Blue Jays, George Springer. Josh Naylor. Did he Naylor? Ryder Ryan. Is that Nolan's grandson? Mark Canna. Jose Ferrer. That dude here. Texas. Joey Votto for the Reds. Cedric Mullins for the Orioles. Max Fried. Chris Bassett for the BJs. Jason Dominguez, rookie. Nice. We have a Zach Gallen, D-backs, NFL All-Star pitcher, D-backs. Austin Riley, Braves. Emmanuel Clace, and a Forrest Wall. Soriano, Willie Adames. Jordan Lawler, that one's nice. Jake McCarthy,
This one's a
Justin
PSA
Steele.
1, 2. This is PSA
Ooh,
9.
Freddie Freeman,
And it's a red. So it's
Kevin Gosman,
These reds. Like this
Blake
guy
Snell,
the guy in the reds.
Dane Myers, Byron Buxton, Bruce Jarvis, Javier Baez, Michael Rucker, Julio. Wow, this Julio's cool.
Oh, yeah.
That's like a short print. That's neat. Parker Meadows, Ronald Acuna Jr., Alex Manoah, he's a stud, Samad Taylor, Trent Grisham, Astros, White Sox, Jan Moncada, Jordan Westberg, what's going on? Shaboom, Anthony Santander. That guy's a stud too. Isn't he on the Blue Jays? Or is that a different Santander? I don't even know. I lose track on some of these.
Yeah.
Christian Yelich, just joking. Machado for the Madres. Charlie Morton, Spencer Strider. We got J-Mayer Candelario, Tuki Toussaint, Chris Bryant for the Rockies, Emmett Sheehan, and the first rookie to win the MLP award, Fred Lynn.
But not right there.
Yu Darvish, Nico Horner, Dane Rafaela, Francisco Alvarez. Ooh, James Outman, nice.
What's the short print?
It's printed shorter in quantities than a regular print.
Oh, okay.
And Enrique Hernandez, so it's more valuable or potential for value.
Right.
Matt
Yeah,
Verlin,
that's,
Zach Wheeler, Jose Abreu, Trey Cabbage, Hank Aaron, Lars Nootbaar, Reese Hoskins, Spencer Steer, Taj Bradley, Jose Altuve, Yandy Diaz, Dominic Calzone, Chabon. We got a George Kirby, Oswaldo Cabrera, Starling Marte, Taijuan Walker, Carlos Correa, Andre Jimenez, some Braves dude, Adley Rushman. Holy crap, we hit a tiger. Shaboom. Andres Galarraga, the big cat.
That's an old school.
That's sick.
Is it the tiger?
Look, no, the big cat.
Yeah.
It's Andres Galarraga. That's
He's
cool.
old school, though.
Yeah, like Expos, probably going to the Nationals. Ooh, a Gunnar.
Yeah.
Gunnar Henderson.
Gunnar Henderson.
Do you know he's German and actually his name's pronounced Gunnar?
No. Yeah.
I just learned that the other day. And
From
Brendan
someone at the
Donovan.
show?
No, a guy on the TV.
Oh.
The announcer said that on the game I was watching. And I'm like, that's funny because I've like heard 100 announcers call him Gunnar. And he's like, actually, he's German and it's Gunnar. I was like, oh,
Start
wow.
calling that tomorrow.
I didn't know that. Ryder Ryan, Gavin Lux, Owen White, Phillies, Alan Winans, Julio, Julio, Jordan Alvarez, ooh, Detroit Tigers, some more Tiger jobbers. Shaboom. Oh, it's just Tigers, I guess. Okay, there's just the Tigers. Then we have this guy here, Kyle Freeland, Sean Murphy, Patrick Wisdom, some dude with a long name, Christian Encarnacion Strand, Pirates or something there, Bruce Toriano, Jordan Montgomery, Daniel Palencia, the Texas Rangers, then and now Blake Snell, Rojas, Braves and Pirates,
There's a different card.
Joe Ryan on the Twins, Brandon Williamson on the Reds, Homeboy, here's Judge, that guy's a stud.
No, that.
Ooh, and here's our hit, Eloy Jimenez, White Sox
I
back.
sold a couple today for like $1.
Nice, nice, nice. I like it.
Ooh, that Eloy.
We got Max Scherzer, the guy with the two weird eyes.
That relic.
Alex Spees. Clayton Kershaw. Cubs.
He's coming
We
back.
got Sandy Alcantara Marlins. Cade Marlowe
think
with
he
the
pitched this last
Matt
week.
Olson. We got a Thurman Munson throwback, Yankees. Sean Manaea with the Giants. Edwin Diaz. Yordi. Swanson. We got Oviedo. Cole Reagans. Hunter Green. Marco Luciano. Pasquantino. Montez. Harper. We got Osvaldo Bido. Vaughn Grissom. Braxton Garrett. Geraldo Perdomo. Andrew Keeney. Holy Jose Coza. Matt Olson with the Braves. C.J. Abrams with the Nationals. Marcus Semien. He should have never got traded from the Blue Jays. We got Ronald Acuna. Weston Wilson rookie. Riley Green. He's been asked for a lot. Trevor Jarnick. J.D. Martinez. Joey Estes, Vital Brujon, Brian Wu, Joey Meneses, and J.P. Crawford. They like him where I'm from. He needs his glasses on.
That's some all-star JD Martinez.
Abner Uribe rookie, Whitey Herzog, Seth Lugo, Casey Schmidt, Clay Holmes, Francisco Lindor, Evan Carter, he's hot. Construction on the pipeline, no team, and a Mike Moustakas. You can have construction on the pipeline. No one wants that. That's no team. We got Lourdes Gurriel Jr., Rafael Devers, Jose Furman. We got a Luis Robert Louis Bob job with the fucking refractor on the top. Seiya Suzuki, Joey Votto for the BJs, Jake Berger, Paul Goldschmidt refractor, Ryan McMahon, Jose Altuve, Nick Lofton, and we got a Bryce Harper refractor for the Phillies. Verlander for the Astros. What's going on here? We got a Paul Goldschmidt, sick patch to 10.
No way.
1 of 10 for the Cardinals. Wow.
Paul Goldie.
That
Cardinals.
is cool.
And you only get like one of those rarely.
Right, and look, it's got the sticker on there so you can look it up and see like where it came from or what game and that it's authentic.
Yeah.
That's sick.
Awesome.
1 of 10. That's
Big
nice.
money.
That's nice.
And the Cardinals.
Shout out to
It's
whoever.
big cheddar.
Big
No,
cheddar,
just-
baby.
Big cheddar.
Put you right there.
Dirty dog.
Dirty
So far,
dog.
the dirty dog.
Dude, we were doing
That
that
is
one
the
night,
dirty
and at the
dog.
end of the night, this guy was like, he goes, "Hey man, how I get in the Big Cheddar Club?" Me and Tom were just laughing at him. We're like, we were just, it's really exclusive. There's only 2 of us. I told him he paid us like $5,000. We might consider it for application. Seiya Suzuki refractor
Next day,
or no
$5,000.
regular?
Dude, we're
I don't
just
know.
joking.
Yeah, I know. We're like, dude, calm down. Cole Reagans, James Outman rookie, and a Tyler Fitzgerald rookie. Nice. Uh-oh, we got Julio refractor. Check out that one. That's sick. I like it. Anderson for the Marlins. Shea Langoliers. Oh, David Hamilton for the Red Sox. Purple. That's sick. No number? Oh, number's on the front. 237 of 250 for the Red Sox. Rookie on card. Nice. Luis got the rookies. No good. Oh. You got the Rockies, you got the rookies. Phillies, Zach Wheeler, refractor, prism. Christopher Morel, Grayson Rodriguez, Hunter Goodman, Jose Ramirez for the Guardians, refractor. Zach Gallen, Diamondbacks. Nito for the Angels. Conforto, Garcia, Ornelas, Turner, and Kyle Harrison.
People were on this ecliptic today. Big time.
Yuri Perez, Jonathan India, Chris Bryant, Sonny Gray, Mackenzie Gore refractor. Isn't that funny? Like after the show, you can tell what's hot just by, you don't even have to do anything, just by what they asked for. Mm-hmm. Brenton Doyle. We had a Jackson Holiday with the Orioles. Ooh, here's a nice one. Jung Hoo Lee. 30 of 199. Teal for the Giants. Nice. There's a nice one. Ooh, hoo, hoo, hoo. Ellie rookie refractor insert. That is sick.
Sick.
What's going on? Who got the Reds?
That's Ellie?
Yeah.
Ellie's hot today, bro.
Hot. Dane Pond. Dane's a stud. Dane deserves
DP.
it. Yeah. DP. Alex
Nice.
Bregman. Greinke. Lowe. And a hater. Don't be a hater.
I'm not a hater.
I'm not a hater.
Yeah, hater.
We went through that one already. Okay.
There you go.
Will Smith.
Will Smith.
Dylan Cease. Alika Williams.
Fresh Prince,
Aaron
baby.
Judge refractor. That one's sick.
Ooh, nice.
Nico Horner. Cedric Mullins. William Contreras. Got a George
Ooh, the
Springer
Jackson
Dinger
Holiday.
refractor. Sean Murphy. Ozzie Albies. Nick Gonzalez. Ooh. Bo Bichette refractor. Summertime in the Park. That's sick. For the Blue Jays. And see, homeboy Jason Fisher got it. And Jason, you probably don't like this card. I'd Venmo you $5 for it, brother. From my buddy.
Look at the
Forrest
Jackson
Wall,
Holiday rookie.
Jordan Adams, Eduardo Julian, and a Trey Turner refractor.
No respect.
No. Are you kidding me? Isn't he 0 for 59?
Okay.
I think he's the worst guy in baseball. He got kicked out, didn't he? He's in the
I don't
minors.
think he's in baseball.
No, he's not. He seriously, he got kicked out for sucking so bad. No, seriously. He got booted for sucking so bad. He went 0 for 60. My fucking 3-year-old could have went 0 for 60.
I'm going by your cards tomorrow. I'm buying your holidays.
I already gave them away. I already threw them away. I promise. I don't have one left. They're garbage. I'm not kidding you. I don't fuck around. Jose Ramirez, Guardian. I'm 1,000% serious on that shit. I don't like the guy one bit. You can have every fucking one of them. Rockies, Nolan Jones. I don't fuck around. Jordan, balls all in your mouth. Twins. Trey Turner, Refractor. Phillies. Jack Flaherty. No, I predict him right now. Biggest flop in baseball. Right now. Guaranteed.
Right now. We're doing
Guaranteed.
it right now.
He's a loser.
July
Guaranteed.
25th,
This card will never,
2024.
ever be over $5.
Orioles?
Guaranteed. Guaranteed.
Who's the guy on the Orioles?
I'll fucking bet it. The piece of shit.
Okay.
MJ Melendez, Royals.
Guess you heard from there.
Mike Yastrzemski. Nolan Arenado, Cardinals. I mean, he's probably a great guy. I just don't think he's got skills
Let's
at
give him my
baseball.
sleep back.
You know what I mean?
They take him off.
Clayton Kershaw.
Take him
I
out
think he's
of
got
the
great,
Bend the corn.
great guy, but does not
Round
gonna,
the corner.
not going to
bend the
be
sleeve.
not going to be major
Jim's
league
got it
potential.
covered.
Jazz Chisholm, Johan Rojas,
Oh, Jazz.
Mason Wynn refract. Now this guy, I think Mason Wynn might be better, guaranteed, and he is doing better. And he's still in baseball, and he's doing better right now. So far, I'm right.
Yeah.
Okay.
And he's in the major leagues.
Yeah, and he stayed there, and he's lasted longer than Holiday. And I have more people ask for him daily than Holiday.
You guys are right.
Bo Naylor, Chris Sale, Nolan Gorman, and Verdugo. No, but seriously, in my store, he outsells Holiday every day.
Holidays every day. Every
All
day.
right.
Ooh, and we got a Gunnar rookie. That's a nice one. Orioles. Matt Olson. Luis Matos rookie. He's hot stuff, man. Those people are asking for those. That guy's just hot. Pete Alonso refractor. Anthony Rendon. I like this guy. I play MLB 21, and I play the Angels. Dude, Rendon's like my power hitter. He's my studliest hitter on the team. He hits better on the game than
What year
Trout
is
for
that?
me.
What year is that game?
21.
21. 24. You gotta try him in 24.
I don't know, but 21 guys.
Can't get it past him.
The guy's a stud. 21.
Get past you.
Jason Fisher says, "What did I hit? I heard my name, but I was sorting a break and not watching." Jason, it was just a kind of a Bo Bichette refractor, but my buddy collects them, and I offered you $5 if you wanted to sell it.
Sold.
I would think, yeah, but Jared Jones refractor, Marcus Semien, Starling Marte refractor with the Mets, Andre Jimenez. Nolan Shanuel, rookie. This guy's all right, too. Oh, look at this David Ortiz green. This is sick. I sold one of these green ones of some dude today for $30.
Big poppy.
Dude, Red Sox are popping off. He said, ha ha ha, sold.
Yeah.
Throw me your PayPal, Jason, or Venmo afterwards, and I'll send it over. Tristan Casas, Spencer Torkelson, Kerry Carpenter, Randy Arozarena, Brandon Lowe refractor, Coco Montez rookie, Owen White, Andy Rodriguez rookie, Yuri Perez, Trevor Story, Michael Harris II, Xander Bogaerts, Josh Jung, Keibert Ruiz, Ronald Acuna Jr. refractor, and a Junior Caminero rookie refractor. Wow. Boom, boom, boom. Bazinga. It's like a nice pair. It's like a chick I met one time.
The Rays.
But Junior Caminero is kind of a stud. He's an up-and-coming rookie, and it's an insert
And that Junior
refractor.
Caminero, yeah. That's nice.
Jose Rodriguez refractor. Cal Raleigh refractor. Nice. Ronnie Mauricio. Spencer Horowitz. Jordan Lawler. Rodriguez for the D-backs. And Corbin Carroll for the D-backs. Nice.
Tristan Casas.
Lion Richardson. His first name's Lion. Brother's probably Tiger. Carl Bradish. Christian Yelich. Royce Lewis. Giancarlo Stanton. Wow, look at that. It's a sick Aaron Judge. I love the swing, how it goes through. Stroke me. Dude, Aaron Judge is popping off. Holy smokers. Woo! 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 Holy shit, dude.
We got the bank. We got a Wander Franco.
Holy Junior Caminero, rookie on card for the Rays. Holy shit, man. Let's go. Rich got it, I bet, because he's saying let's go. Yep. Wow. That is sick. Wow. Dude, how sick is that? I love it. Wow. Nice card, Rich, brother. Dude, he was waiting for that and he hit it. He was like, yeah.
Beautiful card. Nice
Yeah,
auto.
that's sick. Casey Schmidt refractor. Gomez with the Yankers. Butler with the Athletics. Giloff with the Athletics. Gavin Williams. Bravin
That's the lucky dog,
Maracchio.
dirty dog.
Javier Baez. Bobby Witt Jr. Mike Trouter. Castellanos. Patrick Bailey. Christopher Morel, refractor insert. Montez refractor. And a Bogarts refractor. Gosh, how many chrome is there? Canario refractor. Vines rookie. Ketel Marte. Stephen Kwan. Riley Green. J.P. Crawford. Ryan Pepiot. Vladimir Guerrero Jr. Joe Musgrove. Jason Dominguez rookie refractor. Dude, if we had every one of these good guys in the refractor rookie, it's unreal. We've had Ellie, Caminero, Dominguez, all of them. Justin Verlander.
Well, it's a case of the jumbo and the hobby box. So.
Oh, okay. Holy shit, dude. This fucking card here for the Padres. It's just a regular ass card, black, dude.
Ooh.
Yuki Matzel, 1 of 10. Rookie. Dude, you don't see these. This is insanely rare. That
Black
is
Warner.
sick, yeah. But I mean, they're all black. Oh, no, they're not, huh? They're.
Silver at the bottom.
Oh, okay. It just threw me off. Wow. Wow. That's cool. You don't see those.
To 10.
Yeah, to 10, exactly. Sedan Rafaela, Josh Jung, Novi Marte, Drew Millis, Cade Marlowe, Pete Crow Armstrong, Javier Diaz, Justin Verlander, Eloy Jimenez, Andrew McCutcheon, Brian Reynolds, J.J. Bleday, Jackson Holiday, Summertime in the League, Owen White, Nikibert Ruiz. Ooh, there's an Ellie rookie. That's pretty sick.
That is. I was looking at the...
Emmett Sheehan. I mean, that's probably $10, $15 card or something. I don't even know. Keaton Wynn. Uribe. Emmanuel Clace. Leader. Alvarez and Terrain. Alcantara. Alonso. Nice Rafael Devers, the Red Sox refractor. Ooh, there's a nice auto. And a Yelich refractor. Quinn Priester. 29 of 150 for the Pirates. On card. Oh, sweet, Jason. Jason said he's going to come see us tomorrow.
Nice.
But Jason, I'll give you $5 in cash tomorrow in person if you come see. So these are done? You already looked at? We already did those?
No, we didn't do those.
I swear you put some back on that stack after we looked at them. But okay,
Yeah,
we'll keep
do them
going.
twice.
Okay, we'll keep going. We got Giloff and Suzuki and Rivera and Masataka Yoshida. Enrique Bradfield Jr. rated rookie. Jace Jung rated rookie. We got a dummy. We got an Ethan Salas Chrome Optic rated rookie. Buster Poser and a little fireworks shiner jobber. Bill Madlock. Quinn Priester, Matos Pujol. Taj Pete and a Thomas White. We got Ripken and Rodriguez. Jay Buhner, Bob Gibson. Drew Gilbert, Ethan Salas, Mick Abel, Juan Bin Cho, and Shoeless Joe Jackson, Mike Schmidt, Andy Rodriguez, Brooks Robinson, Hurston Waldrip, and Xavier Isaac. This Xavier Isaac guy's hot.
For the race?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I sold his auto to 50 for $1,300. Ellie De La Cruz Optic Reds. That one's sick. If that tells
redemption.
if that tells you anything, how hot he is, how much he's worth. You had a redemption of him?
Last year. Remember the guy bought it for like $350?
Oh shit! It's probably double that now, or triple.
Yeah.
Bryce Matthews, Houston, Novi Marte, Bartolo Colon, Zach Neto, Ricky Henderson, Roman Anthony, and Mick Abel, and a Zach Giloff. 33 of 149 for the Athletics. Mr. Michael Huggins.
Mr.
Money.
Miguel
He said, we're
Huggins.
coming over by the Whatnot booth and the Breakers Pavilion. Oh, we're over. Oh, okay. Oh, sweet, dude. Well, you're there. I mean, shit, we should come see you too, man. Daniel Jalapeno trade that Pirates auto for the Red Sox auto.
49.
Huh? Oh, yeah. But, okay, yeah, cool, Jason. Maybe did you have a booth or something, brother? What are you doing there? Ooh, Junior Caminero for the Rays. They're kicking off. Gonzalez, Wakefield, Sisler, Black, Horvath. Boom, here it is. Dylan Lesko
Let's go.
for the Padres.
No, let's go.
Dude.
Who's the plot? Oh, Dylan, let's go.
And he hit the fucking to black to 10. I work for Hit Seekers. We are just breaking at our booth all day. Oh, sick. Cool, dude. That's awesome, brother. I like it. Larry Walker. Ivan Rodriguez. Mr. Pudge. King Griffey Jr. Prettiest swing in baseball. Robin Yount. Yuri Perez. Ellie De La Cruz. Colin Hawk. Robert Hassel. Tyler Black. We got Joe Torre. And one of his autos I was putting out today. Larry Walker. Jackie Robinson. Colton Cowser. Heston Kierstad. Blake Mitchell. With the Royals. Bryce Matthew with the Astros. Jackie Robinson Optic. That one's sick. Pete Rose red foil to 275 for the Reds. Frank Thomas, the Big Hurt. Scott Rowland. Emerson Hanna, my cat. Adam Wainwright.
Barely. Almost like a waxy look on the outside.
Nazan Nanatello for the Red Sox, rated rookie. Jose De Paula. Los Angeles Dodgers, rated rookie. Then we have a Carson Whitehunt, San Francisco Optic, 56 of 199 orange. That one's pretty sick. For the Giants. Nice. Willie Mays for the Giants.
Nice.
Sammy Sosa. Tamayuki Sugano for the Yomiuri Japan. Who gets the Yomiuri Japan team?
Random.
Oh, okay. Mickey Mantle for the Yankees. A-Rods for the Mariners.
Pete Rose to 275.
Cubbers. Jackson Wiggins for the Cubbies. Ty Floyd for the Reds. And we have an Orelvis Martinez Optic Hollow for the Blue Jays. That one's nice. Colt Keith. We got Ichiro, Evan Carter, Kirby, I like that one. Lou Brock for the Cardinals. We got Kevin Alcantara for the Cubs. Roderick Arias for the Yankees. We got Ivan Melendez. First base for the Cardinals, 25 of 149. Kyle Harrison for the Giants. Johnny Damon for the Red Sox. Tyler Soderstrom. Bobby Miller. This guy's a stud. AJ Smith Sawyer. Kobe Mayo rated rookie. Lazaro Montez. George Sizzler makes a hell of a toast. Bob Gibson. Foil. Dwight Gooden. Randy Johnson, the big unit. Pedro Martinez. Pete Rose. Yiddy Cappy. And Rain Duncone. Boom. For the Dodgers. Rated rookie.
Dodgers.
We had a Colton Cowser Optic. Alex Rodriguez Bomb Squad Blue Foil. 35 of 49 for the Rangers. That's sick.
Okay.
Wow. I like that one. Willie McCovey.
A-Rod.
Cool Papa Bell. He played for the Homestead, but I don't know if you need random or if the Homestead changed into a team or what. George Brett, Henry Davis, Kevin Parada for the Yankees, Alex Ramirez for the Yankees. We got Mac Morvath for the Orioles. We had a King Griffey Jr. Red for the Mariners. That one's sick. Actually,
Nah, it's not bad.
you're going to have to make up your mind. It looks like he has a Reds uniform on.
Reds.
Okay.
Looks like it. Let me see.
Yeah, it's Reds all the way,
Yeah.
but I would
Unless
just...
I saw something different.
Bobby Witt. I would think Mariners, but he's totally in a Reds uniform with a Reds batting helmet, Reds pants on.
Yeah,
He's in a Reds uniform all the way. Bobby Valentine, Joe Torre. Ralphie Velasquez for the Cleveland Guardians. Tommy Tom for the Cardinals. Ooh, look at this Steve Carlton pinstripe. Looks like 84 Donruss, but it's 24 Donruss.
That's nice.
Yeah, it's pretty sick.
That's pretty cool.
Oh, look, it's 84 on the back, too.
Yeah.
That is sick, dude. Phillies, right?
Mm-hmm.
I like that one.
With the stripe down the...
Yeah. Heston Kjerstad for the optic for the Orioles. I like him, too. Got Ripken for the Orioles. Foil. That one's nice. Edgar Martinez and Buster Posey. Nolan Shanuel. Willie Mays. Andrew Walters for the Guardians. Robbie Schnelling, rookie for the Padres. We got a purple laser jobber. Kemp Alderman. 70 of 79 for the Marlins. Pink laser.
2024. It could be enough. Where, in here? Yeah.
We got Cal Ripken, Jordan Lawler, Mason Wynn.
This is the best thing of the whole deal, for sure.
Mike Piazza, Everson Pereira, Chase Davis for the Cardinals, Drew Jones for the Diamondbacks, Nick Gonzalez, Optic Hollow for the Pirates, Brandon Fatso for the Cardinals, or Arizona Diamondbacks, 84 of 99. Purple foil. That one's nice. We got, who's this? Xavier Isaac, Optic Jobber for the Rays. Hot prospect. Jackson Merrill for the Padres. He's a hot prospect as well. Kyle Harrison, Grayson Rodriguez, Johnny Bench, Eric Davis, Kemp Alderman for the Marlins, and a Cole Young for the Mariners. Ken Griffey Jr., Optic for the Mariners. That one's a nice. Bryce Eldridge, 262 of 275 for the Giants. Little red foil action. Austin Wells, Francisco Alvarez, Jordan Westberg, Sal Frelick, Harry Ford, Marcelo Meyer. Some Red Sox and Mariner action. Wow, there's a lot of cards. We had a Jordan Lawler, Optic Orange Hollow, 176 of 299. 199 for the D-backs. We had a Jim Tomei. You know, a guy asked me if I had any Jim Tomei cards today. So he's a huge Jim Tomei collector. Like, how can you bring everybody? Brandon Fatso, Rod Carew, Mark McGuire. Sold a Mark McGuire auto today, too. Nick Lofton. It was like a super expensive, nice card. It sold for like $100. Dylan Cruz and Brock Wilkin. Brewers and Nationals. Robin Yount for the Brew Crew. Dylan Cruz. This guy's hot stuff.
Mm-hmm.
And Wade Boggs. Dude, look at that one. That one's sick. For the Nationals. Like the case hit dude, Dylan Cruz.
Oh. That's nice.
I know. That's what I was trying to say.
Ooh.
Greg Maddux. Gavin Stone. Tom Seaver.
I like that.
We got Cade Horton and Bryce Eldridge. Cubs and Giants rookies. Oh, we got Roman Anthony on the Red Sox. We got Edgar Martinez, foil on the Mariners. Ortiz Smith, Gavin Williams, Zach Veen for the Rockies. Paul Skeens.
Got the Skeens?
Got the Skeens.
Potato Skeens?
Boom.
Yeah, baby.
Bowl of potato Skeens. Andy Rodriguez autograph. Shaboom. For the Pirates, 21 of 99.
There you go. Could have been the other way around, but we'll live with what we got.
Mm-hmm.
In other words, the Skeens could have been the auto, and the Andy could have been...
Right, they were back-to-back. Yuri Perez for the Marlins. Jay Buhner for the Mariners. Jim Tomei.
Jay Buhner.
David Wright. Nolan Ryan and Roger Clemens. Ricky Tiedemann and Leo DeVries. Leo DeVries is international. And Tiedeman's on the Blue Jays. Reggie Crawford, 5 of 5 green for the Giants. 5 of 5. That's pretty cool. That's some low numbered stuff right there. 5 of 5.
Is that the first 5 of 5 we hit, or what's that other one?
Tonight. Sammy Sosa, Junior Caminero, Eduardo Julian, Phil Rizzuto, Abner Uribe, Sedano Raffaele, and John Knopf. Brooks and Red Sox. Ricky Henderson, Optic Hollow, and a Thomas White, Marlins, blue foil, 143 of 149. Gosh, damn, Tom, this is a lot of fucking cards, man.
Like,
So we haven't went through. These are the only ones we have left.
Yep.
And the tier 1.
Yep. And then that one is the big
Holy
boy.
smokers, man! This
Originally
is,
the tier 1.
I need another drink of water, real quick. All right, let's go. Yeah, you get a little parched. Irving Lopez, Victor Scott, Yanni Cano,
Yeah.
Geraldo Perdomo with the D-backs, Ryan Mountcastle. I sold a sick one of him today too for $1.25. That fucking booklet. Esturi Ruiz, Zach Wheeler. Don't be a hater. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh my goodness gracious.
what?
I don't know if we should give that to him or not.
Give it. Let's go.
Salvador Perez Refractor.
Let them know. Let them know.
The chrome
Andy
foil?
Rodriguez.
Are you
Yeah.
kidding me?
Refractor Otani. I mean,
Oh, come on.
I don't know what's going on in the world. Royce Lewis
Show it,
Refractor.
show it,
Oh, they saw it. You're the only one that didn't see it. Otani Refractor. Everson Pereira rookie.
Yeah, man.
Jackson Merrill rookie. Jacob
All I
Lopez.
need is one of those.
Myers.
One
Swanson.
of those big boys.
McLean and
So
Blackman.
I can have a good day tomorrow.
That one's not bad. That's a nice card. Arenado and Lowe. Max Scherzer. Bad eye guy. Volpe. That's kind of cool. Ooh, here we go. Jackson Rutledge with the Nationals. A green wave. No number? Keeping the numbers from me. Nope, there it is. 45 of 99. They put them all down there. For the Natties. Chabot. Giancarlo Stanton Refractor. Samad Taylor. Lucan Baker. Christian Encarnacion Strand. Salvador Perez.
That Lucan Baker's a big kid, too.
Tyler Glasnow. Mookie Betts. That guy's a stud.
Mookie Bet.
Tristan Casas, Lane Thomas, Fernando Tatis, K. Brian Hayes, Clayton Kershaw Refractor for the Dodgers, Ronnie Mauricio, Castellanos, and a Colton Cowser. We got Trialo, Jarvis, Riley, and Lee, Jack Leader, Alex Kirilloff, Byron Buxton, Jorge Soler, Pete Crow Armstrong, rookie for the Cubs, Jason Dominguez, rookie for the Yankers. That's a sick one. I like it. Holy, and a auto just sneaks in here for the Mets. Taylor Coley.
You guys pulled the fast one. Let me get my Dodgers one, man. I'm going to go look at this live real quick.
I better watch
You
it.
need to, because that's going to be the funny.
Patrick Bailey Refractor. Mason Wynn.
The Mets.
Tristan Gray. Andrew Salafrank. Ian Happ. Garcia. And after a while, you'll catch on that I do all this on purpose. I had one guy watch one time, and he's like, man, this guy doesn't even know the names. He doesn't know the kinds or anything. I'm like, yeah. It was funny. I'm like, bro, I'm doing this on purpose. Jordan Alvarez, Kyle Schwarber, Blake Snell, Teoscar Hernandez. Woo! Home run king. Shabone.
Home run king?
Yeah, he won the home run
derby?
challenge.
Okay.
He won the home run derby. He was number one. His cards like went pew when he won, but I mean that card's a base card ain't worth shit. But his good cards did take a huge bump, 20-30%. Jordan Walker, Summertime in the Park, Acuna Refractor for the Braves. Spencer Horowitz Refractor rookie for the Blue Jays. J.P. Crawford rookie Refractor, not rookie but Refractor for the Mariners. Evan Carter, Wade Heckler, Jose Tena, Henry Davis, Tovar, Shane Bieber, Andrew Benintendi, Taj Bradley, Evaldi, Machado. We got a Ezequiel Tovar, Refractor, Future Stars, a Martinez Wave, and a Perio Rays. Homeboy here is 90 of 199 for the D-backs.
Okay. Yeah.
Justin Martinez, a little rookie jobber. Are these sticks?
Yeah.
It's like an uncircumcised wiener.
We'll offer
Too much extra. All right, what are we doing? What are we doing? Where's the fucking thingy? Oh, here it
You're
is.
going to need them for this right here coming up.
Oh, okay, I got you.
Now you're getting it.
Yeah, now
Come
I'm on board.
let's go. We
This
need
is it. This is it.
This is it.
Drum roll.
So Dodgers, Shohei, obviously. Okay.
That's your fucking, yeah. Last one I opened of these, I hit a gold Bryce Harper on-card auto to 10. Dude, it was so sick. It's like $500-something card.
Yeah, Bryce
Sick,
Harper to
sick
10.
card.
Yeah,
And it was a prime patch. It was just stupid.
Bryce Harper's fucking. He's what's up.
Okay.
All right, this is what we all been waiting for.
That's what we've been waiting
Okay,
for.
we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cards.
Got a bonus. Got a bonus card.
We'll leave, though, at the 101 for last.
Definitely.
Okay.
That's how we're ending it.
All right. Just wondering. We have Goose Gossage.
Goose,
The Goose.
I met a guy named the Goose one time.
The Goose.
He's a real dick.
Oh,
206 of 249, the Goose.
for the Yanks.
I've heard this Goose is cool, but the guy, the other Goose, he painted my door at my medical company, and he was a dick. He charged me like $10 to hang the letters, and I paid him, and then he never even came back and hung them. He was a dick. Jotunheim for the Rangers, 84 of 149 on card purple. Nice. Nice.
Rangers.
Nice.
Another big team is the Dodgers.
So they follow the Rangers and the Yanks.
Yeah.
They're going coast to coast.
Yeah.
The Brewers.
We have a Devin Williams, 72 of 199 for the Brewers. Devin Williams.
Nice.
They can't see who the 101 is yet, right? We'll cover it up.
It is the 101.
No, I know.
They already saw it.
Corey Julks. Do you know who it is?
Corey Jokes?
No,
I
you know who the
didn't
101
see it.
is?
No, I
Oh,
didn't
okay.
I didn't see it either.
It's too like
Corey Julks, Astros. I was going to say, you could see it, but you can't really tell who it
yeah,
is.
you can't.
I saw it as a 101, but I don't know who it is.
On card, 96 of 99. Shaboom.
I thought he was joking about the 101. That's why I didn't really look too hard.
Oh, no, I was definitely
Yeah.
serious. I know who it is, too. It's that song I like. It's like gold leash on the tiger. For the Royals! Boom! One of the best third basemen of all time on the Royals.
Brett.
Hold up.
Obviously.
George Brett. Oh.
George Brett! Look at that.
Damn.
1-1!
Nice little hit for the Royals.
I love that, like gold 101 right there stamped on there. That's sick.
Dude, you got
It would have been better if he
Brett.
autoed it, but
Oh, dude. Totally. That would have been sick.
on card auto from Brett. This is the kind of thing you take to like one of these national shows though, and you meet him and you have him auto it.
Yeah.
That would be
You know,
sick.
skyrockets to
Yeah, right. Like it's a $50 card to a $3 card, you know.
George Brett.
I know, isn't that cool?
Well, that's the lucky dog, dirty dog. 'cause
Oh,
my boy
really?
Aaron-
Yeah.
Yeah, he says once you hit a 101, that's the
That's
lucky dog,
it.
dirty
Yeah.
dog.
Yeah.
Oh,
Once you get
okay.
1-1,
It's a wrap.
It's automatic.
Dane Pond again.
Dane Pond. Well, he definitely deserves it. Who did he get? What's the other one did he get?
Like the Ellie
The
or something.
Comario?
Oh, maybe that one too.
No, that.
No, that was Richard Alston.
Anytime there's a 1-on-1.
But he hit another good one.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, sick, dude. Nice.
Yeah, the 1-to-1.
One of one.
Can't argue that.
I love how it says 1-to-1. It's like a
1-to-1.
ratio.
Yeah.
It's like a 3-to-1 ratio. It's not a 1-to-1
It's gonna
ratio.
get a little twist to it.
It's one of a one.
It's 1-to-1.
It's a 1-to-1. It's kind of a 1-to-1 ratio. You get one, you buy one, you sell one. It's just a 1-to-1 ratio, you know.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Thank you for getting in. I appreciate it. I will talk to you guys later. We will see you in the next one. Tom will clean up some of this later, I hope. And other than that, peace out, guys. See you at the National tomorrow. Let's party.
The